Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the project. This project is a simple application about managing students. Before seeing our application, I will explain the purpose of the application. First, handling of student information. Second, managing student information like name, email, age. And do a walkthrough of the functionalities that the application offers. Then we will show you our simple application and how to use it. Presentation of the student app, how to add, update, remove students. And we can see the student we added in React frontend into Angular frontend too, because we are using the same API endpoint.